Welcome to the essentim tutorial video Assays. An assay is the key element of our app. Assays are used to summarize all the information of an experiment using scopes as data source for sensor parameters like temperature and humidity, as well as manual information you can enter in the Assays view window. First of all, we have to create a new assay. Therefore, press the Create New Assay tile on the dashboard. After pressing, you're presented a pop-up window which requires you to enter an assay name and select the runtime for the assay. If you're not sure about the runtime, just add a little buffer here. Press Save. After that, you're presented with the Assay view and the Status tab activated. In the upper left corner, the assay status is displayed. Currently, the assay has not yet been started, and it tells you to press the Start button to start data collection. Before we start data collection, we have to pair a scope as data source. This can be done in the right-hand side of the scope section. Click Start Pairing, and after that, press the push button on your scope. This pairs the scope to the assay automatically. Here, the scope with the name Scope 99A8 is bound to the assay, and this is also listed in the last events. Now, the current readings area is updated with the current readings from the scope: temperature, humidity, pressure, and illumination. Now we're ready to start data collection by starting the assay. Click Start. The assay status then changes. This is also documented in the last event section. The procedure section on the right side below the scope section provides several tiles that can be used to manually document different work steps. If you want to document an incubation, just click on the incubation tile. This tile is now highlighted green, and the last event section is updated as well. Clicking on the tile again deactivates incubation. Next to the Status tab of the Assay view, you can see a Readings tab. After choosing Readings, you can see the live measurements in graphs. A detailed introduction on working with a graph view will be given in another video. Selecting the History tab displays the complete assay history, containing all events occurred in the running assay. In this case, we see a list view of connecting the scope to the assay, the start of the assay, and the incubation process we added. In the Reports tab, you can find options to export data of your assay. The standard option to export data is an Excel format download. You can then use this Excel file to access all data points and information regarding manually generated events for your individual report. This was a brief introduction to Assays along with the essentim web app. Please check our next videos to learn more about functions of the essentim lab system. Thanks for watching.